Ach, ye daft bastards, welcome to the Misadventures of wee Kevin, where our eejit hero Kevin stumbles through life like a blind drunk in a minefield. Expect crude laughs, monumental cock-ups, and more swears than a sailor's bar fight. Sit doon, shut up and enjoy the pish. Slàinte, ye bawbags. There ans was a lad named Kevin, living in the wee village of Glenfinnan. Kevin was a bonny chiel, but he had a knack for getting into the most absurd misadventures you could imagine. Ein day, Kevin decided to go fishing in the loch. He took his trusty rod and set off, whistling a merry tune. As he cast his line, he felt a muckle tug. Excited, he started reeling it in, thinking he had caught the biggest trout in the loch, but to his astonishment, it wasn't a fish at all, but old Nessie, the Loch Ness monster, holding his line in her teeth. "Nessie, what are ye doing here?" Kevin exclaimed, his e'en as wide as saucers. Nessie, being a kind-hearted beast, decided to have a bit of fun with Kevin. She gave him a wink and said, "Ach laddie, I'm just having a wee swim. But it seems you've caught me. What do you want for your prize?" Kevin, nae the sharpest tool in the shed, scratched his head and said, "Well, if you dinna mind, could you help me catch some fish? I'm awfu' hungry." Nessie laughed a deep, rumbly laugh that made the loch's waters ripple. "Aye, laddie, I'll help you catch some fish." With Nessie's help, Kevin caught a boatload of fish in nae time. As a token of his gratitude, he invited Nessie to his hame for sailors that night. Nessie agreed, but only if Kevin promised to keep her existence a secret for the other villagers. That night, Kevin's hame was filled with laughter, music, and the smell of freshly cooked fish. Nessie turned out to be quite the dancer, and she played the bagpipes like nae other. The villagers, who didn't ken Nessie was the guest of honour, just thought Kevin had invited a very tall, mysterious stranger. Frae that day on, Kevin and Nessie became the best of pals. They met at the loch every now and then, fishing, singing and dancing under the moonlight. And though the villagers near found out the truth, they often wondered why Kevin always had the freshest fish and the merriest sailors in all Glenfinnan. And so, Kevin's tale became a legend, whispered amongst the heather-clad hills, reminding that sometimes the best adventures come frae the most unexpected places.